So imagine a world where you accomplish your most ambitious goals without feeling overwhelmed or stressed. What if we told you that working harder is not the key to success?
Minutes focus on blocks, focus on that for 25 minutes daily. Another is your noise cancellation technology. Then another one is your distraction mapping. Then another one is your digital detox.
Maybe my commitments prevent me from giving this the attention it deserves.
And one more thing, you're leveraging technology for automating ecosystem.
Welcome everyone to another edition of Tech Samvad. Today we are actually talking about a very critical thing, which is time management. Did you know that the average professionals waste about 2.1 hours every single day on unproductive activities? So imagine a world where you accomplish your most ambitious goals without feeling overwhelmed or stressed. What if we told you that working harder is not the key to success? Mastering time management and productivity is essential in today's fast-paced world. With endless tasks, responsibilities and distractions, it's easy to get overwhelmed and lose focus. And you know that procrastination is a major productivity killer. So Shalin, this is a pretty bad thing that happens for everyone, right?
What happened that multitasking is also a common issue. We don't analyze tasks and start doing multitasking, and we are not able to do justice to any of the tasks. So distractions are everywhere, and from notification and emails and to co-workers and even some your family transactions also. So many things competing to our attention.
Shalin, the multitasking concept was actually a little bit okay in the times when our computing power was very low. So computers, when you start something in development, it used to take a lot of time to actually upload things and search in databases. So doing multitasking during that time was okay. But now, with so much memory and power, everything is in the blink of an eye. So that multitasking concept is not that relevant now. So one very effective way, Shalin, is that the Eisenhower productivity matrix that we can actually use. When we are faced with too many tasks and responsibilities, it's easy to get stuck in a state of constant overwhelm. So this is where effective time management strategies come in. The Eisenhower matrix is it's a 4-quadrant breakdown where you place urgent and important in one section, which is for immediate execution. Important but not urgent, which is for strategic scheduling. Then urgent but not important. So this is intelligent delegation. And neither urgent nor important, these are ruthless elimination. So we can also use a Pomodoro technique to boost focus, eliminate multitasking, schedule breaks to recharge, and learn to say no.
And I want to share one tip here. What I follow to our users that have some more reading about this Eisenhower matrix and apply to your work culture.
And Shalin, our body also has a natural productivity rhythm called the circadian performance cycle, right? So morning time, 5 to 11 a.m., we have peak analytical thinking powers. Then afternoon 1 to 4 p.m., creative problem solving window is where it actually is most. And then 7 to 10 p.m. strategic planning mode is where this actually happens.
See, every person has a different kind of biological peak clock. Understand your biological clock, and accordingly you align your critical task to your peak.
And we are all tech experts, right? So let's leverage technology smartly. Productivity tech stack should be used. Automation tools like Zapier, IFTT, and then time tracking from Rescue Time or Toggle. And focus apps like Forest or Freedom can be used. And project management, definitely you have Asana, then Notion, ClickUp, all these two apps are there to actually help us.
See, for our user, right, these are not only the apps, these are your personal system which can increase your productivity.
And another technique is the quantum productivity technique, Shalin. We are introducing the 15-minute quantum method. So break tasks into 15-minute micro missions and use a digital timer. Complete one micro mission, take a 2-minute reset, and track cumulative progress at the end of the day. Small wins trigger dopamine and create a motivation loop for you. It's a psychological insight.
One more thing I would like to highlight or expand further, that productivity is not just about time. So it is about your energy management too. So your physical energy, you need 7 to 8 hours of sleep at least. Also, you need 30 minutes daily exercise. Then you need balanced nutrition, also balanced diet. Then for mental energy, what you need some meditation so that you can focus more. Then you need mindfulness practices. You need regular breaks. Right?
And Shalin, our body is a high performance machine, right? So we need to treat it like one.
Yeah, so like one more thing is important here is your advanced concentration techniques also, right? So see, concentration is a trainable skill. I can share some concentration enhancement strategies, which is your one is Pomodoro technique. What you can do here, 25 minutes focus on blocks, focus on that for 25 minutes daily. Another is your noise cancellation technology. Then another one is your distraction mapping. Then another one is your digital detox period. So you should avoid, let's say you take a break from your office work and then start doing that mobile, it's not going to help you.
And the another like secret, Shalin, is that which can transform our approach to time management is like the ability to say no. We often take on too much. We are afraid to disappoint others or miss out on opportunities, right? But saying no to non-essential tasks can actually lead to more productivity and better relationships and increased confidence in ourselves. So saying no is a superpower that you need to develop. Like, acknowledge the request, express appreciation, provide a clear, concise explanation, and offer an alternative if possible. The example can be like, thank you for considering me, but currently my commitments prevent me from giving this the attention it deserves.
And one more thing, you're leveraging technology for automating ecosystem. Quickly automate your repetitive tasks, right? So like some of the tasks I can say is email filtering, your social media scheduling, your invoice generation, your meeting schedules, your expense tracking.
Shalin, like technology should serve you, not control you. Screen time should be limited. Try to reduce your blue light. Take digital sabbaticals. So that will also actually help you out.
Yeah, and see another part is your continuously learning habit, right? Few strategies we should follow, which is your weekly review, your performance journalism, your skill stacking, and some micro level learning also you can follow.
These are not just strategies, Shannon, like they are lifestyle transformation techniques, right? And also delegating tasks can have a significant impact on the time management that we do. By handing over tasks to others, we are basically like freeing up our time. And
that's correct. So I think that's all, Kamesh. Thanks you for watching us. And please don't forget to comment below with your favorite productivity secret. If you want to learn more about time management techniques and strategies, be sure to check out our next video.
Key is to implement, experiment, and evolve. So the most important secret of all is to take control of our time and schedule everything, including your breaks and self-care activities. They should be scheduled ahead of time. By treating our time as like a valuable resource, we can prioritize what truly matters. So that's all like we had today. Take care and we'll meet again. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Goodbye.